Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to see other people or the other participants video while you are sharing your screen on Google Meet web application. So the first thing to do is to access your Google Meet account, and to do so, if you are going to go to your Google Chrome browser and search for these Google apps, because you are going to find it here in the browser, or you can click here on your profile and search for manage your Google account. You click on the manage Google account and you will find this Google apps icon. You search for Meet and then it will take you to the Google Meet application. Otherwise, if you are using a different web browser, you can just search for Google Meet in the browser, and then it will take you to the link of it. And of course, then you will be able to connect to your Google Meet account by entering your Google informations or your Google username, etc. And all it remains to do now is to follow these simple steps. So the first step to take is to join a meeting or create one. So basically here I'm just going to create an instant meeting for this example. So I'm going to click on this button, click on start an instant meeting, and the meeting will be created automatically. So basically this is the meetings view, and now I'm going to start to present now and share my screen so I can show you how to see other people. So let's just share the tab, and I'm going to use cancel, share a window here, for example, and I'm going to share the Google window. And basically, as you can see, my view is not concentrated on my screen, but I can see also other people. So all you need to do now to have such a view is to change the mode of view. So basically you are just going to click on show in tile, and another important thing is to make sure that you are not pinning anything, so you will be able to see everyone. Otherwise, if you were for example unpinned everyone and you don't have this one, so you will only have a concentrated view on someone. So as you can see, this is my presentation, it is not concentrated, and here I am concentrated on my video. And basically all you need to do is to remove to have the unpin and have a tile show in tile mode, and by that you will see everyone apart, and also you'll be able to see your presentation. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.